It's not a good idea. Alright, what's up guys? My name is Patrick, and that little like sequence was kind of filmed a couple days ago. I had to go to work after, so just kind of yeeted home. But basically this is kind of how the car is sitting. I actually raised the rear a little bit because it was a little bit too low. And I think it looks pretty good now. But here, I'll give you guys a little walk around. Yeah, so this is kind of what the car's sitting like. I haven't had any actual issues with rubbing on like normal driving. It has like when you're really pushing the car, it has kind of rub a little bit. But I mean, it wasn't even that really, bad. But it is something to consider. Maybe rolling the fenders. I'm not really sure on that yet because the car is like really clean, and I don't really want to mess any of that up. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna roll them, but we'll see if it keeps rubbing. I don't know, but I think it looks so much better than what it used to. I mean, I don't know. I think Miatas are meant to be pretty low, and I think it just has a really kind of good stance on it right now. It's not insanely low to where it's not functional, but I can drive it really hard and only rub like a little bit, so I think it's pretty solid. Yeah, it's a tiny car now. Yeah, no, I'm really like in love with the way that this thing looks. I don't know. It just looks really good. Yeah, I don't really know what's next for the car. I do have a front splitter that I might put on. It's just kind of like a little eBay replica, but I'm not entirely sure if I'll put that on yet. Because I'm just kind of liking the way that the car looks now. So I'm not really sure. But anyway, that's going to do it for today's video. I just kind of wanted to do like a little cinematic. Kind of let you guys know what the car actually looks like, because it's kind of hard to see like what the car actually looks like if I'm just kind of moving around like this. So it's good to get a nice cinematic every once in a while. But yeah, car's doing really well, runs great. The coilovers feel awesome. I might actually make a video on that, kind of like a little review, but not sure about that yet because I don't really know what I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys could realize that, but yeah. But I think it looks really good. So anyway, like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, tell me why. And see you guys later.